Hello, and welcome to another update video about FET. So FETCH.AI pushed to the top of the range, I would say. We have seen a move up today. We already saw it possibly, start yesterday. It was in the early stages when I made my video yesterday, and it was already pushing a little bit here. And we've now reached that, you could say the top of the range. Hasn't really reached the 144 level yet. That would be the next level, obviously, here. And that is the next level to watch because this is a key breakout point to the upside that needs to be broken next in order to unlock prices in the region of the blue target area above. That blue target area is located between $1.57 and $1.82. And why is this so important? Well, this blue box is so important because it is the ideal target for a C wave. Yeah. So when we talk about our scenarios, we are dealing with a bullish structure potentially. Yeah. We still need to be cautious. That's the FET chart. We talked about that yesterday. The choppiness of the move up since the August lows, but we can track further upside, but it has to be in corrective structures because the market is moving in a diagonal, in a larger diagonal pattern. And diagonal patterns, they include corrective waves in the subwave structures. So, for example, the move up from the, the move up from the August low, is a three-wave pattern. So we have this initial move up, which is labeled wave A. We have the B wave pullback here, and then the C wave to the upside would be next. But the C wave to the upside would be a 5-wave move, but because the wave 1 of that 5-wave move is clearly a 3-wave move, also the third wave needs to be a 3-wave move. I don't want to dive too much into this, too deep, but it's based on Fibonacci. Not only Fibonacci guidelines, it's based on Elliott wave guidelines and rules. So when the wave 1 is a 3-wave move, the third wave is as well, and the fifth wave as well. Now you might ask, why is that important? Well, it is important because without a clear 5-wave move, and we just deal with corrective structures, well, we have to be flexible, and the subwave structures will likely change a lot. So I typically make people aware when we see that happen, even though nothing is guaranteed, right? But when we see the potential that this could become quite a choppy move up, I have to make you aware. I'm rather warning, right? And if it goes up more aggressively, more directly, or without any changes, well, even better, right? But the pattern overall has to be considered. And if we're dealing with a pattern where the risk is high, it's going to be choppy, well, I have to mention it because then you are not going to be surprised if microstructures change frequently, which they are likely going to do here on this chart. That's precisely what we see. Now, if we then zoom in a little bit, if we then zoom in a little bit, and we can see here this structure, and in this particular structure, the triangle pattern that we were tracking here, like A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave, that triangle structure could still be an internal wave 4 with one more low to come, which is why I highlighted to you that we need a break above 144 to confirm a more direct move up, and it would invalidate this triangle pattern because in a triangle, the E wave must not break above the C wave high and the A wave high, and especially the A wave is located at 144. Now, for me, like qualitatively, I mean, I can't predict the breakout, right? But it looks more as if it wants to go further north. So I would not be surprised by a break above the above 144 here. I mean, this is essentially just a pivot. It's just a range breakout point. Of course, it will be tricky. It will be difficult, but I think FET can do it. The structure definitely allows for it. And so far, there is no impulsive pullback. There's no strong rejection from that level here. I mean, we nearly reached it. We haven't touched it yet, but we're close enough that invalidation of the short-term bearish count, which is still overall bullish, right? Because it would just mean one more low. But the invalidation is getting quite likely that we go up more directly. Okay, and that means in summary that a break above 144 is likely. I think very likely, and a break above 144 would unlock prices in the region of $1.57 plus. And then above that level, we've got 166, 172, and 182 in that blue target zone. Yeah, that's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.